Imagine getting a health tech job that pays over $90,000 a year without spending 4 years in college. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Thousands of professionals are entering health tech through certifications instead of traditional degrees. But here's the question nobody answers honestly. Can certifications actually replace a college degree? Or will employers ignore your resume? Today, we're separating myths from reality, looking at real hiring trends, and showing exactly when certifications can and cannot replace a degree. Stay until the end, because one certification pathway could save you tens of thousands of dollars while opening doors to one of the fastest growing industries in America. Welcome to HealthTech Insider, where we break down health tech careers, salaries, hiring trends, certifications, and the fastest ways to build a successful career. If you're interested in high-paying healthcare technology jobs, subscribe and turn on notifications because we publish new career insights every week. Now let's answer the biggest question. Can certifications really replace a degree?
For decades, the path seemed simple. Graduate from college, earn a bachelor's degree, find a job, build a career. But times have changed. College tuition has increased dramatically. Many graduates leave school with significant student debt. At the same time, technology evolves much faster than traditional university programs. Health tech companies need people who understand today's tools, not necessarily textbooks written years ago. That's why employers increasingly value practical skills, especially in roles involving electronic health records, healthcare data analytics, medical coding, cybersecurity, AI in healthcare, cloud platforms, digital health operations. Many of these skills can be learned through focused certification programs. But there's an important catch. Not every certification carries the same value.
Most employers don't ask one simple question, do you have a degree? Instead, they ask several questions. Can this person solve problems? Can they learn quickly? Can they work with healthcare systems? Do they understand compliance and patient privacy? Can they use industry software? In today's hiring process, employers often evaluate candidates based on 4 major areas. First, relevant skills. Second, hands-on experience. Third, industry-recognized certifications. And finally, education. Notice something? Education is only one part of the equation. For many technical and operational roles, certifications combined with practical experience can be extremely competitive. However, for clinical positions involving direct patient care, degrees remain essential. Let's look at several health tech careers where certifications can open doors. Number 1, medical coder. Average salary, approximately $50,000, $75,000. Popular certifications include Certified Professional Coder or CPC. Many employers prioritize certification over a 4-year degree. Number 2, Health Information Technician, salary, approximately $55,000, $80,000. Certifications from respected healthcare organizations can significantly strengthen your application. Number 3, Healthcare at Support salary, approximately $60,000, $95,000. Helpful certifications include CompTIA Plus, Google at Support, Microsoft certifications, healthcare software training. Number 4, Healthcare Data Analyst. Salary, approximately $80,000, $120,000. Employers often seek candidates skilled in SQL, Excel, Power BI, Python. Data visualization, relevant certifications combined with a strong portfolio can make you highly competitive. Number 5, Healthcare Cybersecurity salary, approximately $95,000 to over $150,000. Valuable certifications include Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, Cloud Security Credentials. Experience often matters more than formal education. Now let's be realistic. Certifications cannot replace every degree. If you want to become a physician, a registered nurse, a pharmacist, a physical therapist, or many licensed healthcare professionals, a degree is mandatory. Likewise, senior executive leadership positions sometimes prefer advanced degrees. Medical research roles often require graduate education. Clinical informatics leadership may also expect formal academic qualifications. So before investing in certifications, always research the specific role you're targeting. If you're trying to enter health tech without a college degree, here's a practical roadmap. Step 1. Choose one career path. Don't try learning everything. Focus on one specialty. Healthcare, medical coding, cybersecurity, data analytics, or digital health. Step 2. Earn respected certifications. Quality matters far more than quantity. Step 3. Build real projects. Create dashboards. Analyze public healthcare datasets. Set up virtual IT labs. Document everything. Employers love portfolios. Step 4. Gain practical experience. Volunteer, freelance, intern, work contract roles. Experience often beats theory. Step 5. Develop communication skills. Technical knowledge gets interviews. Communication gets promotions. Step 6. Continue learning. Technology changes constantly. Successful professionals never stop upgrading their skills. Many people make costly mistakes. Mistake number 1. Collecting dozens of certifications without gaining practical experience. Certificates alone don't prove competence. Mistake number 2. Ignoring soft skills. Healthcare requires teamwork, empathy, and communication. Mistake number 3. Applying for jobs outside your skill level. Build gradually. Don't rush. Mistake number 4. Never networking. Many opportunities come through professional connections. Mistake number 5. Stopping after one certification. Health tech rewards continuous learners. So, can certifications replace a degree in health tech? The honest answer is, sometimes for many technical, administrative, IT, analytics, and support roles, absolutely. Especially when certifications are backed by practical skills, projects, and real experience. But for licensed clinical careers, degrees remain essential. The smartest professionals don't focus on collecting credentials. They focus on building valuable skills. Because employers hire people who can solve problems, not just people who own certificates. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Tech Insider for weekly videos on health tech careers, salaries, certifications, and hiring strategies. Now tell us in the comments, would you choose a college degree, professional certifications, or a combination of both for your health tech career, and why? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.